All right, guys, we're at Macy's Herald Square and we got some more wooden escalators. Let's give this a ride. This is awesome. Look at this wooden escalator. All right, let's go up. Here we go. Here are the elevators. I don't see the Otis sign anywhere. Look at this thing. Wooden escalator. All right, let's go down now. Oh wow, look at this. We're gonna go for another ride on this. Almost lost my balance. As you can see, some of the escalators were replaced. All right, let's go up again. Okay. We're gonna go up. We're gonna go up one floor because I want to take the down escalator. All right, let's take a ride on the newer one. I think this escalator appeared to be fully replaced. Yeah, this is definitely newer escalator. You don't even hear the chugging sounds. I mean, this one is a lot more quieter than the other one. I just literally saw the original down escalator, so we're definitely gonna take that. Okay, there's music up here, so, look to your right, guys, look at this. More wooden escalators, awesome. Let's take this thing for a ride. This is awesome. Oh, single file too, nice. I'm sorry for the excitement, guys. This thing is a dream machine. And this will probably be my last time I'll ever see anything like this. Here are some more wooden escalators. Look at this, guys. All right, let's go up. I want to get a detailed view of that staircase. This is awesome. This is totally awesome. Or this is like a furniture store right here. This is what, all right, I think this is the top floor. And here we make our way back down. Now this is the wider file escalators. I'm gonna go back up one more time, and then after that, it'll be the end of the video. I just wanted to get a full detailed video of this escalator. This thing is an absolute piece of gem. I really love this old piece of machinery. This is what I absolutely love the most coming to New York City. This is one of the whole reasons I come to New York City, is seeing this old piece of beauty. Alright, we're gonna go back up on the wooden escalator. Yeah, so you see that escalator to my far left was obviously replaced. We're definitely gonna go back up. All right, let's go back up on the up escalator. That thing, oh my gosh, I absolutely love these wooden escalators. All right, here's the ride in full detailed format. Let's go. Awesome. And there's the replaced escalator right here. See, this thing was definitely replaced. You can see right here. All right, there's music up here, so I'm gonna try to drown it out as much as I could, but thankfully the sound of these escalators are actually drowning out, you know, the chugging sound. This is the single file one. This is definitely, look at this floor plate right here. I really love this floor plate. Look at these stairs. This is awesome. This is totally awesome, guys. I absolutely love these. Let's follow the wooden flooring, going back down. I might go for one more ride. I just love these beauties. Oh, it's in 4K mode. I guess I can do 4K mode. This thing is totally awesome. This is totally awesome, guys. This really is. Excuse me. Oh, there's the replace escalator. You know what? I think I'm gonna walk up. As in, walk up the steps. Alright, there's music up here, so I'm gonna try to talk over it as much as I can. But with that being said, let's take this thing upstairs in 4K format. Let's go. Here we go. Going up. Thankfully, the sound of these escalators are drowning the music out. Let's get a view of this. I think what I'm going to do is I'll run back downstairs and we'll take it for one more spin, and after that we're going to go all the way back down. I'm sorry for cruising all around this, but these things are a piece of joy machine. I absolutely love these wooden escalators. These things are a piece of old gem. All right, let's go back upstairs. We're gonna cross through here. All right, gotta get through here. All right, let's go. All right, let's quickly move along before we get detected by music. Well, anyways, here's the wooden escalator. Let's take it for one more spin, and after that, that's gonna be it. I'm just interested in these wooden escalators. Yeah, they're amazing. This is awesome. All right. Now we're finally gonna go back down, and after that, I gotta go meet somebody. All right, okay, we're gonna go back downstairs. There is music, so I'm gonna have to make it quick before I get detected by copyright. But looks like there's a little a poster board regarding the history of the building, I think, but I'm not really sure. Oh, and I also forgot to take a look at the signs. Didn't say anything about filming. But anyways, we're gonna go back downstairs, and I'm gonna go find Alexander. Once we get across the replaced escalator, I'm gonna go ahead and end my video. because I don't need to see those. These things are beyond awesome. Look at this, guys. I cannot even imagine the joy of these machines. My gosh, is this thing an absolute piece of machine. Look at this. I mean, look at this, guys. My gosh, I don't even have a word to describe these. These things are incredible. I absolutely love these things. I'm in so much love with these escalators. Listen to the creaking. I wonder what that creaking sound come from the rubber railing, I suppose. I'm not sure. I'm not really well with escalators, that's the thing. Okay, I see the replaced escalator right there, so I think that is where I'm gonna go ahead and end the video, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much. Thank you all so much for traveling along with me on these beautiful wooden escalators. And we'll take one more look at this. All the steps coming down. And with that being said, thanks for watching, and that will be it.